Okay, here we are with my personal 750 size quad. We're going to test the Opale parachute, and I have it simply hooked up to the lever servo there, going to my channel H here on my my 9C. We're going to get it up probably 90 to 100 feet, and I got Kurt here helping me with the camera, and got another camera there on the side view. So we'll see if we have success. The only thing I did is I left my gimbal on, I took the GoPro out, and I took my antenna off. The FPV system's unplugged. Everything else is normal. I got a 4S 6,000 milliamp battery on it. And here we We're going to simulate a killed motor. So the wind's probably going to carry it back towards us here. Ready? And here we go. Awesome. Awesome. The wind is a little stronger than I expected, but it looks like it's at 1 feet. Well, in this wind, I did break a landing gear, and my gimbal's missing, and as well as my FPV system, but we're going to have to do another test in a less windy day. Okay, this is our damage assessment after the parachute. That's my fat dog Louie there, checking it out. And everything looks okay. It's not bad. I have a breakaway mount here, which just snaps back in, so this isn't broken for the GPS antenna. I did break a landing gear strut, which these are cheap, as you guys all know. The parachute deployment went perfectly, but in the high wind, I misjudged the distance of how much it was actually going to travel, and my gimbal is okay, it fared, and my FPV system was okay as well. The only thing is it was nice, this gimbal came off just like it was supposed to at these mounts. Nothing broke. I think it would have been, it would have came down and landed in one piece. It was dragged on the ground, as you guys could see, so you know, in the high winds, being dragged across the cornfield sucked, and it really did its job. So I think most of the damage was done after the landing, but what can I say? I'm a fucking idiot for doing it in this kind of wind. So if you guys have any questions about the parachute drop, let me know, and everything else looks pretty good on this, though.